Hi everyone, this is Anna, and you're on the Crochetclubstore channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this heart keychain. This keychain can be a cute and unique handmade Valentine's Day gift. Crochet this heart is very simple and quick. You can decorate your keys with it or decorate your purse or backpack with it. In this video, I will teach you how to crochet puffy stitches of different thicknesses, and I will also show you how to make this kind of bulky joining stitch. And let's get started. You can use any yarn and a suitable hook to crochet this keychain. I use cotton light yarn and a 2.5mm hook. The size of the keychain in my case turned out to be about 7 centimeters or 3 inches. Everything will depend on the yarn and hook used. So the first round we crochet into a ring. I'm going to show you here how to make a foundation ring, making a slip knot. And then we make 5 chains. And now insert the hook into the very first chain. Do a slip stitch to make a ring like this. This is where we will be crocheting our puffy stitches now. At the beginning of the row, I make a long loop. That will determine the height of the puffy stitch. In my case, it's about 1.5 centimeter or half an inch. We don't count this long loop. To begin, wrap the yarn around the hook. Insert the hook into the foundation ring. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Pull the yarn through the ring and then continue pulling the loop until it reaches the height of the rest of the work, about the same height as your usual double stitch. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Again, insert hook into the ring, wrap the yarn and pull the long loop through to make the second double crochet. There will be 5 loops on the hook. Repeat again, yarn over, insert hook into ring, yarn over and pull through long loop. 7 loops on the hook. Repeat again, yarn over, insert hook into ring, yarn over and pull through long loop. There will be 9 loops on the hook or 4 double crochets. To bring all the loops together, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through all the loops already on the hook. Make 1 chain to lock in the puff stitch. The puff stitch of 4 double crochets is complete. Next, I'll show you how to crochet the second puffy stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert hook into the foundation ring, wrap the yarn and pull through the long loop. Repeat it 4 times in total. Bring all the loops together and make 1 chain to lock the puff stitch. So we have crocheted the second puffy stitch. Now we will crochet 6 more puffy stitches in the ring. I'll increase the speed, and you can pause the video and crochet the 6 puffy stitches on your own. So we crocheted 8 puffy stitches, and at the end of the row we do a slip stitch. So we've crocheted the first round and are moving on to crochet the second round. The second round we will begin from this space. Make 1 slip stitch until you reach the first space from the previous round. At the beginning of the round, we do the long loop again. Next, we will crochet a puffy stitch of 3 double crochet stitches. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Insert hook into the space, wrap the yarn and pull the long loop through to make the double crochet. Repeat it more times, until 7 loops on the hook. To bring all the loops together, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through all the loops already on the hook. Chain 1 to lock in the puff stitch. Now we are crocheting 4 more of these puff stitches here as well. So into this space we crocheted 5 puffy stitches of 3 double crochet stitches. Then into the next space we crochet 1 puffy stitch of 4 double crochets, just as we crocheted in the first round. Then into the next space we repeat 1 puffy stitch of 4 double crochets. In the next space, we crochet 5 puffy stitches again. We crocheted 5 puffy stitches. In the next 2 spaces, we crochet 1 puff stitch, like that. In the next space, we crochet 5 puffy stitches again. The last space of the round we crochet 1 single crochet. Pull out the working yarn and cut it off. Make invisible join in the round. The first heart is done. Here it is on the wrong side. Here's the front. Now pause the video and crochet a second heart like this by yourself. I'm back. We crocheted 2 identical hearts, and now I'll show you how to join them together. We're going to fold the 2 pieces face out. To make it look better in the video, I use white colored yarn. You can use the yarn you used early. Insert the hook into the last single crochet of the first and second parts. Wrap the working yarn and pull through the loop. Make 1 chain. Then insert the hook into the next stitch on the first and second part and make a slip stitch. Make 1 chain. Repeat, 1 slip stitch, 1 chain. This is such a beautiful and bulky stitch. Pause the video and crochet the connecting row to the end. So, we put 2 hearts together. Now we cut the working yarn and make invisible join in the round. You can sew a finished chain with a ring for a keychain or crochet a cord by chains. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.